you go. Alright, we're out here on the Burke property today at Allstate claim. It's currently June 14th. It's 80 degrees outside. We're doing a repairability assessment here. We are using a roof snake, which is what you guys prefer us to use on a 3-tab. So as you can see right now, Reef, you want to show the shingles. Right now, they're currently all in good shape. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and start the repair. Alright, as you can see, there's mat transfer here. We're going to keep going. And I'm trying to be as gentle as possible here, and you can just hear it tearing, because if I go super hard, it's just going to rip the shingle. Alright, so I'm going to lift it again. You can see there's mat transfer all right here. Alright, you can see mat transfer again. And then more mat transfer. And then more there as well. And the problem with the mat transfer, so in the future, when these shingles go to reseal, there's going to be no sealant left there for the shingles to rebond to each other. So this shingle is never going to reseal properly without putting sealant back down. Yeah, and you can see right here the shingle rip right there, and then more mat transfer on this side. Alright, more mat transfer there. And when we get done, after the repair is over, we'll lift it to show you guys the material transfer on the other side of the shingle. And as you can see right here, there's actually a hole there now. See that shingle tore right there. And that one did too. Alrighty. So this is an old Owens Corning shingle, and it is double layered right here. So you can see here, there's another layer of shingles underneath here. You can see another layer of shingles. can see a little bruising right there from using the roof snake. See right here, dislodged granules, again from using the roof snake. Alrighty, so now what we're gonna do, you can see the granules right here that are dislodged from using the roof snake. What we're gonna do now is wipe the top of the shingles to show you guys the loose granules that are there, if there is any. So the purpose of doing this is because the next rainstorm, these granules are gonna wash off anyway. As you can see, you have creasing here, 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 a little bit starting here, some right here, and then some at the top of this shingle as well. So what I'm gonna do, since this one's not creased right here and doesn't have chalk on it, I'm gonna show you the bottom of the shingles. So as you can see right here, there is no sealant left on those shingles. You can actually see the fiberglass mat underneath it, which you should not be able to see that. So here, once again, there's actually a hole right here, this fiberglass showing, and then I'll go ahead and do it right here as well. So more fiberglass through the mat. So what that does, and what the creases do now during future storms when it comes through, we just now ruin the structure of the shingle itself. So now the wind rating is not going to be as high as it's supposed to be in future storms. So that's what makes these shingles unrepairable, because it actually damages the integrity of the shingles.